Hello everyone. We, the chairs of Web and Networks Interest Group, are glad to connect with you at TPAC 2020. The Web and Networks Interest Group is co-chaired by myself, Dan Druta, Sang Woo, and Sudeep Divakaran. We are excited to see the wonderful innovations and developments evolving in the web and networking space, and we would like to share some of that with you. Our interest group was chartered in May 2019, and since then we have been focused on our mission, which revolves around exploring solutions for web applications that can leverage existing and upcoming network capabilities to achieve better performance and resource allocation both on the client device and on the network side. Let me share some of the key topics of focus. One of them is the usage of application hints by networks and also network hints by web applications. We look into how evolving Wi-Fi, 5G, and other networking standards and new technologies deployed using edge computing can be leveraged by the web community. We also discuss developer tools that can help the next generation web developers to test their applications with more insights about the network conditions and metrics.
Our tasks are to identify opportunities and new use cases, about which we will share some examples later. We liaise and coordinate with W3C groups and networking standard development organization and identify ideas for incubation. We maintain a public distribution list and also a wiki of the latest networking features, use cases, and ideas that we are tracking or investigating. You can access the wiki using the link w3.org wiki networks.
Let's move into a bit about what we have done so far. As mentioned, we started in May 2019, and ever since then there have been around 12 meetings where we discussed wide range of topics related to network use cases. Back in November, we kickstarted two work streams, one called Edge Computing and the other Network Quality Monitoring and Prediction.
Let me give you a bird's eye view of what each workstream has covered so far. The goal of Network Quality Monitoring and Prediction workstream is to study how web apps can monitor and auto-adapt based on changes in network conditions with lower user interaction. Members have presented ideas around usage of real-time and also predicted information about the cellular network from network operator infrastructure to enable better quality of experience in congested or poor network conditions. In addition to this, we believe better tools can aid developers. We have received proposals like trace-based network emulation in browser developer tools, which may be of interest for the broader browser and networking community. The other is edge computing. Edge computing is seeing immense interest in today's times. Availability of compute closer to the user and accessible at lower latencies opens up avenues for deployment of use cases around IoT, virtual and augmented reality, deep learning, offloading to edge, etc. Networking factors and edge discovery play a key role, and our interest group is investigating if there are any gaps which can be addressed by W3C standards. In this track, we have had very novel use cases around offloading part of the web application workloads from device to edge, depending on compute requirements, network latency conditions, etc. This year, few of our members have prepared videos demonstrating these new ideas. We encourage you to take some time to view them. Sir Tim Berners-Lee said, When something is such a creative medium as the web, the limits to it are our imagination. The Web and Networks Interest Group envisions unlocking the full potential of web by leveraging latest advancements in wireless and wired technologies.
With that, on behalf of the chairs, I would like to end this talk by inviting you to join our interest group and also encourage you to visit our wiki page to follow what has been presented so far. Special thanks go to our W3C staff and interest group members for all the support. Thank you and have a great day.